Hello guys, so in this video I will tell you that how you can create a beautiful matte effect in Adobe Photoshop. So here we have our subject image here, and you need to create an adjustment layer. Just type on this adjustment layer and just tap on exposure, and then you have to take this gamma cor correction bar to a little bit to the right side to decrease it like this one here, and then you have to increase the offset. Okay, so just increase it a little bit, and now you can see that you have a matte effect here. Okay, so if we just like watch the before and after here, and you can actually works on specific colors here. Okay, so you will click on adjustment layers and you will create a levels adjustment layer. And let's suppose that if you want to work on the red color in the image here, you will select the red color and you will just take this slider here and just take this here, and you can see that we have added a red color like this one. Okay, and if you want to actually like work on the blue color here, just click on the blue color, and now you can see we are working on the blue color. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.